All right, boys, one last day. This is a Z4 40i, I'm pretty sure. You can hear the turbos, but the exhaust sounds kind of whack. Yeah, those turbos sound amazing, bro. But everything else sounds like dookie. Can't believe I'm in a whole different country, bro. I still like am just like tripping. Can't believe I'm leaving tomorrow. Finally, the 5 weeks is over with. Dude, there's an RS6 right here. Yo, that's lit. I should just pulled up next to them. But dude, we met some dope people here that have really dope cars. Sadly, there was no car meet. Actually, no, there is a car meet, but it's tomorrow. But I'm flying out tomorrow, so I can't go. So we'll see, man. Maybe next time. You know, next time I come here, I definitely want to, you know, keep growing in the fields I'm in, and, you know, keep investing in passive income, so then eventually I can like buy myself a nicer car, or, you know, or travel more, like when I take vacation days. We'll see, bro. It's got grind time, baby. Let's get it. What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. I'm back from Germany finally, dude. And oh, dude, I'm gonna tell you right now, boys, being in America is obviously, politics is kind of wild right now and could be better, but America is such a good place, and I really hope America does not get destroyed, man, for real. Dude, I've been driving the M5 since I came back. This car is like just ridiculously loud. I'm honestly surprised like no cop has bothered me. I'm so happy they haven't. Dude. Nah, dude, this car, out of all the cars, bro, the M5 is really fun, but dude, it doesn't compare. It doesn't compare. Just something about the feel and like the sound and everything. Also, bro, the weather in California is just something else. Taxes suck, man, but they really can like take advantage of that because the weather here is just too good. I'm so happy I don't live here, bro, because this car is just way too freaking loud. These guys will freaking hate me. Right, one of my callus pipes, dude, are kind of loose, so it's making like this like rattly noise because the bolts are moving. But to get down there, dude, is just, oh my goodness. Yeah, boys, as long as you guys have arms, legs, eyes, you're more blessed. Like, I know a lot of you guys want cars. A lot of people DM me saying you guys want Hellcat M5. These cars are amazing, bro. And as long as you keep working hard, you're gonna eventually get one. But just don't take what you have already for granted, man. Like, health is wealth, bro. Just having two arms is like the biggest blessing ever. Like, don't take that stuff for granted, man. You just gotta be happy with just being alive, bro. Especially now that so many young people are dying, bro. It's like being alive is literally the biggest freaking blessing. Like, I wake up every day. Obviously, these cars are dope, but if you don't really appreciate what you have now, dude, you're never gonna be freaking happy. I was happy before I bought any of these cars, and then these cars, all they did was add on to it. But it's definitely not gonna make you happy. It'll make you happier if you're already happy with what you have, bro. I'll tell you that right now. Just being happy with a little, dude, does so much. Also, guys, if I talk too much in my videos, my bad. Just like, bro, like my ADHD is just like, it just kicks in and I just dissociate, dude. I just start talking for like over random stuff. I need to get some more outside POVs of this car. Yo, that's crazy, dude. I've only been gone for 2 weeks in Germany, and this car feels like it feels like I've never driven this car. It's such a trip, dude. It's honestly such a trip. Man, thank you, Jesus Christ, give me another day to live. Let's go. Yeah, boys, just keep working hard, man. At the end of the day, you got to put God first, man. Because like I said, I know for a fact, like, I don't know for sure. I'm sure if I looked up, like out of 100 people, how often people are dying, bro. And I know for a fact, somebody watching this video, sadly, no, honestly, everyone in this video is going to be blessed and no one's going to pass away. But there's so many people pass away, dudes. Like, I know for a fact somebody that's watched my videos in the past probably isn't here anymore. So I got to talk about Jesus more, man. Yeah, and as you guys can see, the views on YouTube have been consistent, man. We've been getting like 3K on average, which is pretty sick, dude, because all I'm doing is just driving these cars. And that's how I want to keep it. I want to keep it simple, dude. Just want to keep it super simple, dude. And of course, eventually, once I make some extra dough on the side, my goal is to be reinvested, which is real estate. And of course, this YouTube channel. Eventually, I want to get so much capital on the side that I want to just completely boost the crap out of this car and not worry about the value or whatever. Dude, when the exhaust is like not open, it sounds way like it's not as scary. It still doesn't whine as loud just because the cats are gone, but dude, that's another reason why I want to put the cats back on, because I want to hear the whine again. Oh my goodness, dude, why is it so like foggy? Dude, even this camera can adjust to that fog. It's so freaking bright and the fog just makes it worse. Yo, that's crazy. It doesn't sound aggressive at all when the freaking valves are closed, dude. It sounds like whatever, bro. It's not scary at all. Now the valves are open now. Yo, that's crazy. Yeah, man, this engine feels really good. Like, I love German cars, but something about most of the cars, dude, just feels so good. And like, you know, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, trading's been doing really good recently, and I think I'm barely gonna be talking about trading. My goal right now is just to build up my account up for the next 6 months. And like I said, once I make over 100 grand and I keep that 100 grand, that's when I'm gonna start teaching about it, because trading is actually really easy, but it's so easy to complicate. That's what makes it hard. Like, it's easy money, but it's also really easy to lose. And it's all based on probability. Like, I have specific setups that I'm willing to risk money, a certain amount, and I'm always making more. That's the only reason why I keep trading, is because I'm always making more than I lose, and I've seen it work more than I lose. So it's like literally a money glitch, bro. But like, for a specific setup to work for me, dude, so many things have to happen before I actually take the setup. But it always happens within the first hour of market open. I really hope this camera picks this up, because this car sounds insane. Yo, it's crazy too, because I'm in the car. I can't imagine how it sounds like from the outside, dude. So good, dude. I really hope, like, one day definitely my goal is to get some headers, get like a normal tune. I want to, like, my goal with like trading is just to build up a dividends portfolio, because I can literally do it before work. So that I spend 1 hour before work, boom, knock it out. If I make money, I make money. If I don't make money, I move on. But my goal is just to build up my dividends portfolio, because I want my dividends to pay everything off. I want my passive income to pay off my cars and stuff, not my active income. pop right now, dude. Definitely, like, one of the tunes I want to get is a flame tune for sure. I feel like the flame tune would be so insane. Yeah, dude, so many people, there's way more people out since COVID, dude. Before COVID, bro, nobody would be outside. This car is ridiculous. I feel sorry for everybody, but I gotta do it for YouTube, bro. People love this noise on YouTube. It's only temporary too, bro. I'm only outside for like 15 minutes. Dude, this car is crazy. I love the sound of this thing, man. It releases hella dopamine, bro. I'd rather be doing this than playing video games. But definitely want to be making more money because cars are a waste of money for sure. Yo. Dude, those shifts are crazy. It shifts so smoothly. I don't know why anybody be hating on this car. It might not be as quick as a freaking Tesla, but who freaking cares about that, dude? Who cares about that, man? Dude, what? It feels so good, dude. The torque is so nice on this. Dude, that's amazing. Yo, oh my gosh, the cop on the other side, dude. I had to quiet down my exhaust because there's this one cop that I saw him earlier, but then he made his way around like where I was at. So I'm dipping out, dude. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.